This is Dan Sheridan. It's Tuesday, July 11th. I'm going to look at a couple things. The big news today will be what's going to happen tomorrow morning before the market opens, the inflation gauge, the CPI. So that's probably the biggest news in the next 2 weeks will be the consumer price index in terms of something that could move the market a bit, other than things that we don't know about, something in Russia or whatever. But so it's the CPI coming out tomorrow, Wednesday, July 12th, before the market opens. So if you have trades on or you want to do something tonight, Tuesday, July 11th, you want to deal with it because tomorrow with the opening, you could have a gap one way or the other. So the biggest news thing, at least that I'm seeing over the next 2 weeks, that's visible would be the CPI tomorrow morning, July 12th coming out. After that, the week after next week, which would be like July 25th, 26th, which would be the Fed meeting. And then right at that time, you've got Amazon and Tesla. A lot of the bigger tech stocks have earnings. So I think that'll be probably the biggest event, but that's what it's all about. Yesterday, Monday, July 10th, if you look at our YouTube website, and I think I'll do this some more. I was just saying Dan's plan for the week. I talked about the 3 trades, you have an idea of the 3 types of trades I would like to put on. And today I'm just giving a quick recap of I think the first trade I said I would put on Mondays, like a doubles trade. And this is what I actually put on. And I'm going to mention some interesting observations. So this is the trade I put on yesterday, Tuesday or Monday, July 10th. Actually did this live in our short-term and 0-day class, short-term trades up to 4 days from expiration and 0-day trades. And I was looking at this, and this looked better to me than even the 0-day trade. So this is a double calendar. I sold yesterday. This was a 4-day trade. I sold the July 14s, that's this Friday, and bought July 17s as a Monday. And I did a double calendar. It just means a little bit bullish calendar. That's the strike, and a little bit bearish calendar. And I probably put this on yesterday when we were near 4,400. We're a little bit higher today at 4,415. And I did this trade live during class, probably at, let's see, our class starts at 11 Central. So somewhere between 11 and 12 Central, we're probably near 4,400. And so I bought the calendar, the double calendar, for 465. What's interesting, this is the second week in a row that I got these off the same day. So 465 is what I paid for it. And I sold it for 510. Right now it's like 515. Now, say, Dan, you're relatively near the middle. Why didn't you try for 20% or whatever? I could have, but I just had an order to take it off for, basically a 10% profit. And so I did, right? If you take 465 and I sold it for 510, 35, 45 for every time you do this, $45 divided by 465, 9.6%, right? And you could add another percent or 1.5% for commissions. But so the interesting thing, these types of doubles trades, double calendar, double diagonal, double long diagonal, have worked well for these short-term trades. But only the last 2 weeks, as VIX went under 15, I'm actually getting these off in the same day. So it's like a 0-day trade with more room. So anyways, I just wanted to update you on that. thought I'd do a quick video on that. If you have any questions, you can email me, dan@sheridanmentoring.com. Have a wonderful day today. And again, for range-bound traders, I'd probably wait till the afternoon tomorrow to put something on, just because, CPI, I mean, nothing could happen, but, you have I think news, inflation number, it's important enough news that could affect things for range-bound traders overnight. So what's one day? It's the summer. Go enjoy yourself. And I would put on a range-bound trade in the afternoon tomorrow. So in terms of our plan for Monday, you put something on Monday. I wouldn't put something on today. I'd put it on tomorrow, would be my second trade that I talked about in Monday's plan. If you haven't seen my trading plan for the week, if you're just watching this, just watch. I think I did it on, did I do it yesterday or probably yesterday or over the weekend? I did it says Dan's trading plan for next week. Maybe I did it on Friday, but check that out. And so now I'm just kind of talking about how it was implemented and what happened and giving you a little bit of update on that. All right. Have a nice day, folks. Thanks.